In this video, we'll show you the administrative functions of the Dusk IOP. On the left menu, scroll down to Settings, across, down to System Settings, and then Job Settings. In here is 4 sections: Job Associations, Job Types, Job Categories, and Additional Settings. The job associations are the types of location-based data that you want to enable your resources to visit, inspect, audit, or carry out any task on. These can be added in here and a form is selected. In the map field is the location that's required from that form. Job types are the types of activities that you want your resources to carry out. These can be easily named and a form is selected from the drop-down that we'll show you how to create shortly. Job categories comprise of job types and job associations. For this one, for assets as an example, we've named it assets. The job type is the asset inspection form, which can be seen above, and as a colour scheme. You can choose any colour palette here. The job category allows you to filter on a map and show where jobs are at any particular time. There's some additional settings at the bottom. So based on your business type, you may or may not have a requirement for job readiness, which could be activities or tasks required before a job is started. So that section could be enabled and disabled, and the same with equipment, if you do or don't require your resources to have equipment assigned during a job. The final section here is basket configuration. This is for high volume automated cyclical work to be carried out. In this case here, we've associated it to a client, and the location in that one is stores.